Alright, we're beginning with problem 5, and this is page 208 on the PDF. Well, we have the equation 5x plus 2y is equal to 6. Negative 2x minus y is equal to 3. Well, we decided to eliminate the y's. Well, one reason is that I just chose to eliminate the y because they're already opposite in sign. Even though the x's are also opposite in sign, I chose to eliminate the y's. So when there's no number in front of this variable, it's understood to be negative 1. So we now need to look at, well, what is the least common multiple between 2 and 1? Well, the least common multiple between 2 and 1 is 1. So in order to eliminate the y's, I have to multiply the second equation by 2. So when I multiply the second equation by 2, I end up with negative 4x negative 2y is equal to 6. And now on this line right here, where you see my pointer right here, this is the first equation. Now if you feel that you are comfortable with taking it from here, please work this out if you haven't. And like I said before, you should have pencil and paper. Try working this problem out all the way through, find the values of x and y, and then come back and use the video to check your work and your understanding. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on. So now let's see what happens. Well, when we combine these two equations, we get that x is equal to 12. Well, now that I've found that x is equal to 12, what do I need to do in order to find the y value? How am I going to find y? What do I do here? Come on and tell me, what do you do in order to find the y value? Okay. Yes, we're going to substitute x equals 12. We've chosen to use the equation negative 2x minus y is equal to 3. So in this case, as you can see here, we have x is equal to 12. Let me pick this up a little bit. I don't want this to be too slow. So in place of x, we substitute the 12. Now we go negative 2 times 12 is negative 24. We need to get the y by itself. So in this case, we need to get rid of that negative 24. So we add 24 to both sides of the equation. The 24 is canceled. The y comes down. 24 plus 3 is 27. So now I have negative y is equal to 27. So we know that that y is being multiplied by negative 1. When we divide both sides of the equation by negative 1, we see that y becomes negative 27. So the point of intersection of these two equations is 12, negative 27. Ladies and gentlemen, please let me know if this was clear and easy to understand, whether my instruction and explanation of this problem was easy to follow. Please have an excellent and outstanding day. This is your teacher and your instructor, Mr. Joshua Davis. Thank you for joining me.